The registration window for the June 2026 UGC NET is officially open. Every cycle, thousands see their applications rejected over tiny, completely preventable clerical errors. We are going to walk through this portal step by step. We will lock down every critical data entry field, ensuring your application clears every system check. This checklist shows the non-negotiable prerequisites you need before even opening the website. You must have an active DigiLocker account linked to your Aadhaar card. You also need your 10th grade mark sheet, and your digital files must be strictly sized, between 10 and 200 kilobytes for your photo and 10 to 50 kilobytes for your signature. Gathering these items mid-application leads to session timeouts. Having these exact files ready right now prevents rush typing and keeps the portal from timing out before you finish. Step 1 begins with identity. The NTA portal no longer allows you to type in your name directly from scratch. DigiLocker is the mandatory gatekeeper required to start Aadhaar authentication. Once you log in, you will see this authorization screen. Clicking the highlighted Allow KYC button permits the system to pull your basic personal details straight from your Aadhaar profile into the application form. This creates a frequent data entry conflict. Applicants see their autofill.r data, assume the government record is perfectly accurate for an academic application, and proceed to the next page. Look closely at this split screen. On the left is the autofill.r data, and on the right is the 10th grade mark sheet. If there is a discrepancy in your name, parents' names, or date of birth, the 10th mark sheet overrides Aadhaar. You must manually edit the text to match your mark sheet perfectly. The 10th grade mark sheet serves as the absolute baseline of your academic identity. For this application, the NTA treats the data on your mark sheet as the final truth. Next, you will fill out your present and permanent address fields. In previous years, candidates could select exam centers anywhere in the country. That loophole is closed. Your address entries strictly dictate where you can take the test. On this map, the brightly lit states represent the ones you entered in your address fields. The remaining states are immediately locked out. You are geo-locked into choosing exam centers within these specific regions. Category claims are also heavily restricted. If you apply under the economically weaker section, your certificate is only valid if it covers the 2026 to 2027 financial year. For other backward classes or OBC candidates, holding a state-issued certificate is a risk. It is invalid for this exam if your specific caste is not officially recognized by the central government. Before you claim OBC status, check this database. You must cross-reference your state certificate against the National Commission for Backward Classes central list. If your caste isn't on this list, you must apply as an unreserved candidate. The portal cross-references your geographic location and social category against strict systemic rules. The NTA verifies these details automatically, leaving no room for guesswork. In the Academic Status section, select Past if you have your master's degree. Select Appearing if you are currently in your first or second year, allowing you to select graduation dates up to 2028. The system calculates your age eligibility automatically based on your date of birth. If you are over 30, it restricts your options to assistant professor and PhD roles. If you are under 30, it unlocks the Junior Research Fellowship. You will then face the newest addition to the application, live photo verification. Think of this as the portal's final biometric security checkpoint. You will need a functioning webcam to capture your face in real time. The system's algorithm will immediately try to match your live webcam feed against the photo stored in the DigiLocker Aadhaar database. Because many Aadhaar photos are years old, this algorithm frequently fails to recognize the match. If you receive a face mismatch error, do not abandon your application. The system provides a bypass. Click this manual consent box, agreeing to provide proof of identity later if questioned. The NTA anticipates this algorithmic failure. By checking the consent override, you bypass the glitch and proceed with the submission. You've cleared the data entry. Now you hit the final gateway. The payment system remains locked until you successfully verify both your email address and your phone number through OTPs. Once verified, the payment gateway opens. Select your method, UPI, credit, or debit card and pay the category fee to lock in your submission. Download the final application form PDF immediately. Write down your application number and your specific password and store them securely. Losing these specific credentials prevents you from downloading your admit card when the exam date approaches. Systematically resolving these data mismatches and certificate rules eliminates the common causes of application failure. You have secured a verified entry for the June